Hey everyone. So Articulate came out with they've been doing a lot for accessibility recently. And one of the things that they came out with were accessibility controls. And what this is a way of allowing your learners or the users who are interacting with your storyline project to customize their learning experience based on their own preferences. But to do this, we need to enable the accessibility controls. So today I wanted to show you how you could do that. So we're going to go into the player. And one thing to note is that to access these controls or to enable the controls, you have to be using the modern player, which is the default. But you'll see there's a little gear icon, and the default is to have the accessibility controls on, but if you have them toggled off, then they're no longer accessible. So ensure that your accessibility controls are turned on, and then we're going to click OK. And let's just preview this empty slide. Now, once we have the accessibility controls activated, the user can click on the little gear icon and they can choose to activate or deactivate the keyboard shortcuts, which means that I believe there's some keyboard shortcuts to toggle your zoom to fit, which is Control-Alt-Z, toggle accessible text, Control-Alt-T, mute and unmute the audio, Control-Alt-M, toggle closed captions, Control-Alt-C, and replay the slide, which is Control-Alt-R. You can also choose to turn on the accessible text or zoom to fit. So having this active, and the reason why it's a great default feature in the player is great because you're going to provide your learners with that much more customizability with regard to their learning experience.